Hey everyone, it's Adam coming to you with another puppet story. Wanted to share a couple lessons with my friend, Mr. Dino. Hi! Look this way at the kids that we're working with. Hi! All right, thanks for saying hi. So you told me before the show started that you had some lessons you want to teach the kids today. I have three of them. First one, coughing. You want to teach them how to cough? No, 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 silly man. I want to teach them how not to cough. Oh, okay. Well, what can you do? First of all, when you cough, don't go like this. Yeah, that would kind of spread all this germs in the air. Yeah, if you're going to do it, cough in an elbow. Or just keep your mouth closed. Okay, that would do a better job so you're not spreading so many germs around. And next, if you're not feeling good, you can stay home or you can get a blanket, bring some water, and have a parent take care of you. It'll be great. Okay, so there's times when if you're not feeling good enough, you might need to stay home. Okay, well, what else do you want to say? When you're hungry, don't go like this. Oh! Yeah, ooh, yeah. When you're hungry, you shouldn't eat anybody's ears, should you? Nope, shouldn't do that because it's not your ear, and there's way other better types of food. Yeah, I was thinking there was a lot of other better types of food. That's all I had for the day. That's all you had? Are you sure? What about if they have a fever? Oh, yeah. A fever feels hot on your head. Hot on your head. You feel pretty normal for a dino. I know, I'm in good health. Oh, I'm glad you're in good health. But if you're not, your forehead, I guess, feels hot. And that is a way to kind of tell if you have a fever, or you could use a thermometer and take your temperature. Yep, that's what we could do. And don't bite anyone when you're got a fever either. I don't have that problem. I'm not a dino. I do. I love to eat things. I know. I kind of had that feeling. All right, Dr. Dino, I appreciate your tips today. Okay, bye, kids. And bye, everyone. Thanks for listening for a couple of health and safety tips from your friendly neighborhood dinosaur. It's me. Yeah, it is. It's you. Thank you for your tips. Bye.